What is it?
The spear.
Where at?
Here's the spear.
Good job. What are the other ones?
The cube. This is the cube.
It is. What's the other ones?
The cylinder.
Where's the cylinder?
Cylinder.
Yeah. What's the other one?
The circle.
Where's circle?
The spear. There's the circle.
Where's the circle? Yeah.
That's the triangle.
Yep. What's this one?
Hexagon.
That's a hexagon over there. What's this one?
It's on the cone.
What is it?
The cone.
It's a cone. Good job.
There's a triangle.
Where's triangle? I see it.
This is a very unique racetrack, and with the new pavement, it's even more unique. The style of tire you run here is an intermediate style tire. You run it on a short track. So the track's very slick.
Upside down.
It's the upside down store, yeah.
It's going to be a premium at, again today. So we're starting.